Hey friends, if you wish to know when Windows 12 is coming out, then please watch this video. I will give you a very certain opinion about this. So, a lot of people were speculating that it will come out in late 2024, some said in early 2025. We are already in mid 2025 and there is no Windows 12 so far. And I'll tell you what, there will be no Windows 12 any soon. It might come up in the future, but not any soon. Microsoft has not announced anything, and the reason I say that is because Windows 11 was not quite a huge success. The reason is that they upgraded the system requirements to a level where most users would have to purchase a new computer to meet those requirements. And since that wasn't happening, people chose to stay with Windows 10 until its support will end. So, if they launch Windows 12 now, the whole purpose would be to increase the system requirements. And if they do that at this stage, then people will simply shift to other options like Mac. So, I don't think that Microsoft is going to launch Windows 12 right now. Maybe in the future. For now, they will only keep on updating Windows 11. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.